Are you ready for my sauteed lemon chicken and herbs? This will change your life. Don't sleep on this recipe. Chicken is one of the keys to healthy eating. What? Sauteed lemon chicken and herbs. I will talk through this recipe on this video. If you need the actual recipe, look in the description below and let's start cooking. Are you ready to cook? Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. You can follow them or adjust to taste. Don't be scared to try and change. 4 6-ounce boneless skinless chicken breast halves. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh rosemary. 2 tablespoons chopped thyme, fresh if possible. 3 tablespoons chopped parsley, fresh if possible. Half cup olive oil. 1.5 cup white wine. 1.5 cups lemon juice. 4 tablespoons salted butter. Also, salt to taste. Cracked black pepper to taste. First, season chicken on both sides, always with salt and pepper. On a plate, combine rosemary, thyme and parsley. Dip the top sides of the chicken into the herb mixture, making sure to pat the herb mixture so it sticks to the chicken. Second, in a medium to large sauté pan, heat olive oil over medium heat. Place the chicken in the hot oil, herbs sides down. Sauté for 3 minutes, turn the chicken over and cook for 5 more minutes. Add wine, simmer for 5 minutes. Turn heat to low simmer. Add lemon juice and butter, cook about 10 minutes or until chicken is done, 160 degrees internal temperature. If you like this video, hit the like button below. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. Leave us a comment and let us know what you think.